In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to get promo code for Sendwave. If you're looking to save a little extra on fees or get a bonus on your first transfer, this guide will walk you through the most reliable ways to find and use a promo code, plus a few tips to make sure the discount actually applies. Start by checking right inside the app. Open Sendwave and look for any banners on the home screen, a promotions or rewards section in your profile, or a dedicated field for promo codes during sign up or before you send. Apps often surface limited time offers here first. Make sure your app is updated to the latest version and that notifications are enabled because some promotions show up as in-app messages or alerts. If you don't see anything, don't worry. There are more ways to find one. Keep an eye out for promotions that Sendwave runs throughout the year. These can be seasonal, tied to holidays, or focused on specific send routes. Many offers are time limited or have requirements like a minimum transfer amount. Always read the small print so you know when the promo expires and what conditions apply. If you see a deal advertised, verify it in the app before you send, so you're confident the discount will work for your transfer. Another option is to look online for shared codes. Search trusted coupon sites or active community forums where users share recent promos. Be cautious with anything that seems too good to be true, and avoid sites that ask for personal information. Check the date and eligibility details on any code you find. Some are country or currency specific. A quick test is to paste the code into the promo field in the app before you finalize your transfer to see if it's accepted. It also helps to follow Sendwave's official social media accounts and subscribe to their newsletter. Companies often announce fresh codes and flash deals there first. Turn on post notifications so you don't miss limited windows, and keep an eye on your inbox for subject lines mentioning bonuses or discounts. If emails land in spam, move them to your main inbox so future promos reach you on time. Finally, use your code before your first send if the offer is for new users. When you're ready, choose your recipient and amount, then look for the promo code field on the review or payment screen. Enter the code exactly, apply it, and confirm that the discount shows before you tap send. Remember, most transfers allow only one code, and some offers only apply to the first transaction. That's it. Check the app, watch for promos, search reputable sources, follow official channels, and apply the code before your first send. Thanks for watching, and happy saving.